Hi there and welcome back to Gaming Handhelds. Today we'll be unboxing the limited white edition OLED Steam Deck. It's just been released and I managed to snag one for me, as I was actually just thinking the other day how cool would it be if the Steam Deck would come in white, and fast forward a couple of days there was an announcement a white Steam Deck is dropping, and yeah, I was just had to pick it up. Inside the box we get a companion cube charger and also our Steam Deck here in an exclusive white case. And putting the box aside, let's take a look at the included charging brick. This would be the 45 watt power supply with a 1.5 meters USB-C cable. What's new on this charger than the previous one is that it has a nice little Steam Deck logo on it, and what's also included in the box is some warranty and safety information. Now, let's get to the main attraction, the actual Steam Deck. What's super cool about this limited edition is that not only does it come in white, it includes a white carrying case, which is a first in the Steam Deck, and also what's pretty cool is that you get a limited edition keyboard theme and startup animation, which we'll check out right after the unboxing. Taking a look, we have this all white and black themed case, which I think looks absolutely stunning. Only thing we need to watch out for is keeping it clean. And other than that, I think it'll look super neat. Inside we've got this little egg pouch to keep the charger or similar accessories safe. We've got a Velcro at the front, which is also a new addition. And wow, here we have the actual Steam Deck. Inside of the case we have the cool text style with the typography and places to play. And we're presented right with the console in front of us. And this white colour finish looks absolutely stunning. I really love the little accents with the grey buttons and also the orange power on button for the OLED edition, looking absolutely stunning in this clean white design. And this couldn't have come any better since last 2 days it's been snowing here, and this fits perfectly with the winter theme. Also what's included is a microfiber cloth, again in white, and let's get this Steam Deck set up and a little comparison. Now, first things first, let's check out the exclusive content that we get on the Steam Deck with the startup animation. And also what's included is the limited edition white keyboard theme, which looks also absolutely stunning and really fresh and clean. Once again, I love the little orange highlight, similar to the power on button, matching the device's overall theme and aesthetic. And that startup animation, let me know what you think in the comments below, but I think it looks like some very smooth, milk kinda aesthetic, and yeah, I don't know, I really dig it. Overall, the console is equipped with the 1TB hard drive, so it will be similar to the regular Steam Deck OLED with 1TB, and it has exactly the same specifications. So we get the same HDR OLED display with the premium anti-glare etched glass, with 7.4 inch diagonal size and 90Hz refresh rate. Also included is Wi-Fi 6E and of course the 50 Wh battery. Let's compare it to the original Steam Deck. This is the LCD version and we can already tell some first differences here and there. First things being, of course, the case doesn't have this little front Velcro, and also the charging brick. Here we have the new OLED, we have this egg pouch. I don't know if this is a new thing with the OLEDs or they've started including with all of them. And also the power brick has a slight difference with the included logo, but it's still rated at 45 watts, so we don't lose out on any different power delivery there. Opening up the cases inside, we can see they've added the typography design. And taking a look at the regular LCD Steam Deck, it also looks really stunning. And just having them both side by side, you can really see the nice color differences here. And both models I think look stunning. Now, the biggest difference that I immediately noticed when holding both of these devices is that Valve has definitely improved the thumb grips. So these have a much more tactile and grippy feeling compared to the regular LCD model. And once again, I'm not entirely sure if they've already changed this on the regular OLED model or if this is a recent change with this limited white edition. But I really like how these new ones felt, and they remind me a lot of the ROG Ally. X, which I significantly preferred because the thumb grips just felt that much more tactile and precise. So this is a really awesome and welcome addition. Taking a look closer at the devices, we can see pretty much the fit and finish is identical. It's literally just swapping out the case for the white version with these grey D-pads, grey buttons and accents, and of course the white mouse buttons. Biggest change of this model is of course the OLED screen, which has phenomenal colours and 90Hz refresh rate. And that would be it actually already off my quick unboxing and first look at the OLED Steam Deck. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and make sure to subscribe for more handheld gaming content. Thanks for watching.